Good morning everyone. You're watching Sprocket69. Today it's a little different video. I'm going to show you guys how to change engine oil in your bike properly. So the tools that you need is a socket set, a 19mm. This socket you have to buy separately because this doesn't come with the socket set. So this is a big one. This costs like around 300 to 400 Indian rupees. So you got to buy this. You got to have pliers to remove the filters, and you got to have a Phillips screwdriver to pry the filter out of it, the main filter. And then I'm using 300V 15W50, not the 10W50, because the European spec 390s run the 15W50 and I want to try and see how is it. So I bought the top of the line 15W50, so that's MOTUL 300V, and you can see the oil color is green. And here is the genuine KTM filter, which I got it from this person. So yeah, this is like around 80 rupees or 50 rupees something, and this is around again 50 to 80 rupees. So you can see this is the drain bolt over here. This is 19mm. Okay, so that's why we bought this big behemoth socket, and it's anti-clockwise for your information if you're going to remove it. So I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to okay, so it came loose. So you don't want to be too harsh on it since it's a part of the engine. So got it a little loose, and slowly you remove the drain. I just hope the plastic doesn't melt. So as you can see, the oil is very dark, and we are going to let it come out properly. So you can see that how dark the oil have to come. But yeah, the oil life looks not that bad actually. As you can see on my friend's hand, by the way, that's NITROSMONKEY. There's a filter over here which you have to take out, so that's why you need a plier for that. So gently just put it in and slide it a little.
Pull out and rip. That's what she said.
Pull it out, and you can see this is the filter. I have a new one, so we'll just dispose this one. But if you can't buy a new one, or it's not accessible to you, you can always clean this with a WD-40 and you can reuse it again. 8mm head. So as you can see, these two bolts over here that you need to remove, this is 8mm on both sides. So yeah, this is also anti-clockwise, by the way. So yep. Yeah, and it's tightened up quite fairly, so you have to put some pressure, but don't put too much pressure because it's a and you can see it is out, and there's an o-ring. I do have a spare new o-ring. If we need to change, we will change it, otherwise we'll use the same thing again, but I advise you to change it if your o-ring is bad. And you can see that is the big ass filter over there. And oh my god, it's fucking hot. There you can see the quality of my oil filter. It's just black. It's so black it got no rights. To clean this place, if you have any sort of cloth, make sure that this doesn't have to touch any sort of dirt down or anything, because it's going inside your engine and you don't want any sort of rocks or any sort of other foreign particles to go inside. So you take a clean cloth that you don't need and you put it inside, and you gently wipe all of it side to side completely until it becomes clean. As you can see over here how clean it have become. So yeah, you have to do that. So now you can see this is the oil filter cover, and it comes with the o-ring, right? So this is the old o-ring which we will not use again, because I did get myself a new o-ring. So it's always better to change it with a new one. Make sure you lube this old new o-ring with little bit of engine oil, which is on the top, so it will be easier to slide it in the new. And you need a flat head, of course. Take a flat head, and then you gently just pry it. You'll just gently pry and it will come out, as you can see. And then you take your hands and you will just gently take it out. And you remove the old one and you put the new one. just like that. So the new oil seal is in, and yeah, we'll put the filter back in and then we will seal this up.
No seal, no deal.
This is the new oil filter, and this black part you see over here, this will go inside, so it will make a click sound, so then you will know that it is securely inside. So yeah, we're going to put this in just gently. It's in. You heard that tuck sound, right? So that means that it is inside and it is sealed properly. And we'll just take our oil filter cap and we'll place it on top. We'll put the screws back inside the same way it came out. We're just going to do it in reverse and clean the inside of the drain bolt as well with a cloth. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the brand new strainer. It just goes in. Okay. And it clicks. That tuck sound, if you hear, that means it's in. I mean, you can, yeah, it's in, as you can see. And then you take the drain bolt and then you screw it back in. And also make sure don't over tight this, because you don't want to strip your drain bolt. It will become a hectic job otherwise. The big daddy, and we are just going to tighten her up. God, it's so hot outside today. God, it's not going in.
That's what she said.
Wait, this thing is up. Okay. Yeah.
That's it.
I think I stripped it. You use a plier and you get it loose. We have already loosened it up. So after that, you just have to twist it with your hands and remove it. So yep, you can see it is out. And you can see this is the fresh green here. You can smell it. Yeah, it smells good, right?
Shrek smut.
300V, baby, top of the line. Everything is top of the line today. So 1.7 on the Duke 250 and the 390s, even the RC 200s and 390s, you need 1.7 liters of fuel. Yes, so you can see the green thing is gonna go in. Oh yeah, that's juicy. Drink it, baby, drink it. So we have filled the oil. I didn't show you that part because obviously, come on, everyone knows how to drain of oil in the engine. So we have, I mean, pour the oil in the engine, not drain. Sorry, how to pour the oil. So yeah, guys, that was the oil change. So yeah, I just showed you guys how to change engine oil with help of NITROSMONKEY over there, and that's his bike Tesla standing over right there. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys next time in the next video. If I do a DIY again, I will show you guys. Hit share, subscribe and like the video, and I hope this was helpful for you guys to change your engine oil yourself. So yeah, catch you guys next time.